Hi everyone,
Hi.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm with Nicholas today. We are going to be filming a workout video. We're basically doing couples goals workouts where couples lift each other and do squats with each other and stuff like that.
Okay.
And we're just going to try and recreate the posts that I've seen on Instagram and YouTube. On my laptop, which is set up here, we have some YouTube videos and Instagram posts showing us what we're going to try and do.
Okay. How many are we talking here?
A few, and we're just going to try and recreate them. Nick, you're going to do a wheelbarrow.
Should we go this way?
Wait, should I wheelbarrow you or you wheelbarrow me?
Why don't we do both? One
Okay.
each and see which is better.
Okay,
Who
I'm
needs
going to
go first?
wheelbarrow you, and you got to do push-ups. Ah! You got to do push-ups and I got to do squats.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
God, you're heavy!
1, 2. Okay, going. What are you doing? So I've got to squat as you're pushing, yeah?
I think so. Ah! Nick! I can't take my feet away that fast. Take one foot at a time.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, move forward a bit.
Why are you-
We're off camera. Move your. Why are you moving backwards? The camera's there, we're off. You're moving back into me.
You were pulling me backwards.
I stood still. Move forward.
You were pulling me
Right.
backwards.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay, don't move. What are you doing? Why is your bum up so high?
I don't like wheelbarrows.
Just you're lifting up and then you're just going mental. Just stay there.
It really aches.
Yeah, it's meant to.
I'm too tired for this.
Okay, move.
Ready?
Okay, yeah. Now, keep your body straight. On 3.
No, you're pulling me backwards again.
I stood
I can't
still.
even go. Just go. Just go.
God, you've got to be able to do one.
I'm too tired.
Ready?
Okay.
That's it. Why are you moving backwards? Why? Okay, yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
You got to squat and I'll push
Squat.
up.
Push up then. Push up then.
We got to go together.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. On 3.
1,
2.
2.
Why are you moving backwards again?
You're moving backwards. I'm so tired of this one. 1, 2.
Yeah. Again. 1.
You're going to do sit-ups because I don't like sit-ups. And then I'll do leg raises.
Okay.
Go back a bit more. Ooh!
Hello. Hello. You comfy down there?
You do sit-ups.
Sit up, yeah.
Yeah, and I'm doing leg raises and then you push my legs.
Okay. On
Ready?
3.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Sorry. Is that too hard?
You don't know you're straight.
Okay, go. You ready? You're not allowed your legs to touch the ground.
Right, you have a go. Give me your legs.
Why?
What? No!
You gotta do sit-ups though.
Yeah, but I don't like
Do sit-ups.
You ready?
Ready? Yeah.
Go. Ah! Gah! Gah, I don't like this one.
Oh, that is a good one. Oh, my stomach.
So we're doing this.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to sit on
This
you.
is gonna be a disaster. I don't know where to grab you.
Just under the bum.
Yeah. Oh! Wait. Ready?
Right.
Yeah. Hold it. Sorry.
I'm really struggling to lift my legs up.
Yeah. Try and keep your legs straight out though, like she does. You gotta remember they're on a bench and you got more room. But you both
Do it!
Hold
No,
still.
I want
Hold still.
to...
Lunges.
Yeah, lunge with me over your shoulders.
Fireman's lift.
Yeah.
Side on. Okay, I'll just get you on.
No, but I just... Okay, go on.
I'll just get you on first. Ah!
Ow!
Wait,
Okay,
I need
no,
to
I'm
read.
okay, I'm okay.
Ready?
No! Oh!
That's comfy now.
It's not for me!
You ready? Wait.
No! Oh! I'm in pain.
And then
I'm not really doing anything.
I was knowing you're just lying on top of me.
Right, we've done that one.
No, do it to me.
I can't lift you.
Yeah, you can try to get me. I'll get on your shoulder. I'm
How
pretty sure.
are you getting on my shoulders?
I know, you just lift me up the same way I did you.
I've never fireman lifted anyone.
Well, let's just give it a go then. Put your shoulder in there. I'm going to jump on your shoulder almost.
No, Nick, you'll break my back. Nick!
You ready?
No!
Now lift me
No!
up.
Nick!
Lift me up. Wait. Ready?
No. You almost just kneed me in the face!
Ready?
I wasn't ready!
Oh, you got me!
You said ready, I didn't respond!
But you... I'll put your shoulder there, yeah? And I kind of just...
Don't jump, don't jump.
Okay, you can do it. Ready? You can do it. Ready? That's it! Yeah! Now squat me! Squat me! Squat quickly before you lose it! Ah! Do it again! Do it again! Oh! Squat me! Squat! Quickly! Yeah!
Oh!
I don't think you could.
I could do a lunge.
We did! We got... What? Okay,
So you're going to grab between my thigh?
Grab there.
No, maybe a bit higher up.
If you squeeze your thighs together, maybe. Yeah. And then I grab there.
Ready?
You ready?
No.
Ready?
No.
Wait, I'm not ready. Okay.
Go, just gently.
You want to do it again?
Yeah, I like that one.
Oh, wait there.
I feel all little and cute.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
And
Ready?
go.
Ready? Go. Hey!
Yes!
2!
Hook
Jesus,
me up.
that's so much energy. 3.
Go!
Oh, shit! What happened? I don't know what happened. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Keep your back straight.
Starfish push up and then I'll go on the sofa push up.
These off. So what, you going on my back?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know. Do it.
I can't reach up.
Wait.
Okay, go. I got it.
Okay.
Oh, and I got it. Whoa! But I gotta be straight. Yes! Nick! What happened?
I'm gonna crumble under the pressure.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Oh, God. Yeah. That's it. Push. You can do it! You did it!
Call an ambulance.
This one seems pretty fine.
I can do a squat, no problem.
I just got to go on your shoulders.
I'm just squatting here, that's it.
Yeah.
A standard squat.
Yeah.
Whoa! Ready?
Stand up, yeah. Ah! Nick!
Squat.
Ah! Why did you do such force? I'm gonna fly off! Nick! Oh my gosh.
Ready?
No! Oh!
Wait.
There is no way. Nick!
Careful! Careful! No! No! You just gave up.
I gave everything I could.
You didn't even move.
So it's similar to the other one, but you don't push up with me. You just lock
Hands
your
are
arms.
going there, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I got to lay down,
So I'm thinking.
and then we both got to do leg kicks.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but like, let's just get into the position first. Okay. That's not going to help you. No. Straighten yourself up. What are you doing? Straighten yourself up. It's on you now. I've got your body. It's on you. What are you doing? What were you doing? Okay, now, no, don't lean back. Don't lean back. Just keep your hands there and move your legs up
Nick,
with your body.
Are you joking?
No.
I have to lean back.
Okay, yeah, but while do it with your legs at the same time. Okay, straighten your legs out. Your body should stay there now. Straighten your legs out. For the kicks! Move your legs before you move your body back even more. Okay, straighten them out.
Go!
Straighten them out. Ah! Go. Yeah, keep you there.
Go!
Straighten your body up. Straighten your body
I
up.
can't! Nick!
Straighten your body up. Move your legs up and your body at the same time.
Nick,
Yeah.
I can't!
It's up to you to keep your body stiff. My arms like straight up. You ready? You're just going like this.
Go! Oh! Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Give it a go at least. Tight. Tight. And now push you up. Just
Nick,
hold
I
it.
can't do it.
You can. Hold. 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 That's it. We did it. We did it.
Try it one more time.
What?
You've just got to stand up straight and I do leg raises. You've got to stand up straight.
Oh.
And then I do this.
Yeah. How many?
Oh, let me down, let me down. Oh, my shoulders. He's doing this and she's on him.
Okay.
Okay? You give me your back. What?
I don't know what you mean.
Like this.
Okay.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we take a breather. Like that. Yeah. No, that's not strong enough.
Well, you need to give me more of your arm.
There we go. Ah! What?
It's
No! Nick!
Too slippy.
I really think you could have broken my back just
I
then.
could have just. That was bad.
No. Oh, Nick!
Get your legs off me!
Quick, no, Nick! We'll try a different way. Starting with me already on your back. Yeah. Ugh!
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let me just.
No! Oh, Nick!
Okay. Hide yourself. This is dangerous.
I've got my legs round.
Yeah.
If you give me your hands. Gently. Yes.
Now what?
Go. Ah! Now do it. I feel like I landed like a superhero.
Let's have a look back at that. You ready?
No.
Ready?
Yeah. Go. Oh. Okay.
Okay. And I'm just doing push-ups.
Yeah, and I squat.
Go!
Gee.
Go!
Gee.
Go! Ready?
No.
Lift it up.
Ah!
Okay.
No.
Push up. And push. And down. It's gonna get to the wall. You can. Oh!
I've got a major headache. You guys don't understand. Like, what you're gonna see of this video is I'm gonna be sick. What you're gonna see of this video is maybe 10 minutes of 2 hours of us being here.
Yeah. How many more do we
We've got
got?
one more.
Okay, we can do this. And I'm doing the lifting on this one.
No, I've got to do a sit up. Thanks.
Can I have a bit?
Oh my gosh, if I throw up,
Yeah.
enjoy this footage.
What are we doing?
Final one that we're gonna try. I haven't seen what people do. I'm gonna assume that the girl sits up and the guy squats, because all we've seen is a photo of this move. Like, it's in the thumbnail to gym workout videos, but I can't find them doing it.
And I'm just gonna have to just lift you up with force, but you've got to hold on tight.
Okay.
Okay. And I try and not move you as fast as I can.
I'm gonna be sick.
Don't throw up in my face. Oh!
You up?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Okay. Wait.
Nick, you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Okay.
Right.
Right, you got to squeeze on.
No, you do a little squat.
Okay. Ah!
Okay.
Sit up. Go.
Do you think that's feasible?
Yeah. I got to hold on to you. But you got to. I'll be sick. You got as quick as you can. Go. Lift yourself. Lift yourself up. Ow!
Squat.
And then sit up. And then sit up. Sit up. Sit up.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll leave it there. We've got no energy left. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up because look at the state of us. We're gonna go have a shower.
Yeah.
And
Go to the gym.
I'm going to bed.
Oh.
Okay. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, give it a thumbs up. We will see you very, very soon. We love you. Bye.